Among those who witnessed the rites of passage includes the Deputy Governor of Anambra State, Dr. Nkem Okeke, Secretary to the State Government, Professor Solo Chukwulobelu, members of the House of Assembly, and the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Anambra Broadcasting Service, Nze Uche Nwora, amongst others. The Deputy Governor, Dr. Nkem Okeke, in a condolence message, noted that death is an inevitable price all mortals must pay, and advised Christians to always live in accordance with the teachings and commandments of Christ, as no one knows when death will come. Dr. Okeke, while sympathizing with the family, advised them to trust in God, as he knows the best. Earlier in a sermon during a Requiem Mass at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Nibo, Reverend Father Ugochukwu Ngene called on Christians to see burial as a time for sober reflection, noting that the quality of life man lived is more vital before God than how long a person lived. He advised the Nwankwo family who lost their own to be strong, as late Onyebuchi lived a true Christian life while on earth, and prayed for peaceful repose of his soul. In his remarks, the elder brother of the deceased, Emeka Nwankwo, said that late Onyebuchi is a gift from God, and noted with regret that his departure was very sudden and painful, as his role in their family and in lives of others that crossed his path was very significant. Others who spoke at the event, including the traditional ruler of Umueri, His Royal Majesty Igwe Bennett Emeka, the Managing Director, Anambra Road Maintenance Agency, Engineer Emeka Okoye, Honorable Member representing Njikoka 1 in the State House of Assembly, Dr. Timothy Ifediaramma, amongst others, while sympathizing the family, called on them not to weep as though there is no hope, noting that late Onyebuchi's death was the will of God. The event featured condolence visits by friends, associates, and well-wishers. From Nibo in Okasa local government area, Valentine Mbadora reporting for ABS News.